Hello everyone. Welcome back to Healthy Life YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, healthy daily routines for weight loss. If you are looking to shed those extra pounds and live a healthier life, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about your morning routine. It sets the tone for the entire day. Start with a glass of warm water with lemon to kickstart your metabolism. Follow it up with a healthy breakfast, rich in protein and fiber to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Exercise is key to weight loss. Incorporate a daily workout routine into your schedule. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or hitting the gym, find something you enjoy and stick to it. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to high-intensity exercise. Maintaining a balanced diet is crucial. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed and sugary foods. Portion control is essential to avoid overeating, so listen to your body's hunger cues. Staying hydrated is often overlooked. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, your body might confuse thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Speaking of snacks, choose healthy options like nuts, Greek yogurt, or fruits. These can keep your metabolism active and prevent overindulging during meals. Your evening routine is just as important. Have a light dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Avoid heavy, greasy foods that can disrupt your sleep and digestion. Sleep is the unsung hero of weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested body is more efficient at burning calories and managing cravings. Manage stress through mindfulness techniques like meditation and deep breathing. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating, which is counterproductive to your weight loss goals. Finally, track your progress. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to monitor your food intake, exercise, and weight. This can help you stay accountable and make necessary adjustments. Remember, healthy weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. These daily routines will help you achieve your goals while maintaining your overall well-being. Stay consistent, stay positive, and you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Take care and stay healthy.